Dominican fish in coconut sauce. 2 whole red snappers, scaled and cleaned, going in whole. No cutting, no filleting, nothing fancy. Juice of 2 limes all over them, inside the cavity too. 1 teaspoon of salt rubbed in. 20 minutes, non-negotiable. The lime kills any fishy smell before it ever meets heat. If somebody says Dominican fish tastes fishy, they skip the lime. The pan, large enameled cast iron braiser, wide and shallow is the secret for whole fish. Medium heat, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of sofrito, 30 seconds, until the kitchen turns Dominican. 1 onion sliced thin, 1 red bell pepper sliced thin, 4 to 5 minutes until the onion goes see-through. 3 cloves of garlic, 30 seconds only. Burnt garlic is bitter, and bitterness has no place here. Push it all to one side. In the empty space, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, toasting 30 to 60 seconds until it darkens. This is the step people skip, and it's the difference between a sauce that tastes good and a sauce that tastes like somebody's tia made it. 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, 13.5 ounces, full fat, light breaks, and never thickens. I'm not going to fight with you about it. I'm just going to be right about it. 1 teaspoon of sazon, 1 teaspoon of oregano, a bay leaf, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of sopita, aka chicken bouillon cube. Gentle simmer 5 minutes, then taste and adjust. Medium-low, and both fish go in whole, flat, side by side, nestling, not dropping. Spoon the sauce over the top so they're half submerged. Lid on, 10 minutes. Then carefully turn each one, 10 more. Little bubbles, not a rolling boil. High heat breaks your fish apart and splits your coconut milk. And then you're standing over a curdled pot questioning your life choices. Meanwhile, batata. Half of 1 large batata, Caribbean sweet potato, white inside, not an American sweet potato, and yes, I will die on this hill. Half is plenty. The fish is the star. The sweet potato is the friend who makes everything better without asking for attention. Rinse, peel, slice, 1/4 inch. Oil just up the sides of the rounds, medium heat, single layer, golden, flip, golden. Onto a paper towel and salt them right there while they're hot. Hottest when the salt sticks. Wait 5 minutes and the salt just sits there looking confused. Fish is done when it flakes off the bone near the head. Heat off, 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro over the top. 2 minutes uncovered so the sauce tightens. White rice down first. Arroz blanco is the whole point. It's what catches the sauce. Whole fish means bones. Real bones. Small bites, feel around with your fork before you commit, especially near the belly and along the spine. Slow down. This is not a plate you eat standing at the counter. Sweet coconut, cilantro cutting through it, snapper falling apart, soft rice-soaked orange. That's Samaná right there. Full written recipe with every measurement and all my pro tips is at kelvinskitchen.com. Go get it, cook it this weekend, and tell me how it went. Nos vemos en la próxima.